There's a monster problem, and our hero needs solutions. So she starts a Miro board to brainstorm. Shoot it, suggests the scientists. They make a plan. They make the call. They throw the switch, and the world watches as the exponential power of collaboration... Doesn't work this time. Back to the Miro board. Charm it? Shelly from marketing gives him the eye. The monster gives her the nose. Dave at the office says, feed it. Now he's out of office. Just then, our hero has a breakthrough. Shoot it with a camera. Shoot a movie. And so, our humble team saves the day by working together on Miro.